Good morning. Today we are going to talk to Alpa Shah. Alpa Shah is the India partner for Value Investing College, Malaysia. She is also the founder of Empower Education and Freedom Foundation. Apart from being a TEDx speaker and an author and a very renowned speaker in India. We get a lot of questions from youngsters who are 25, 30 years old as to why do we need to start thinking about retirement so early? There is still a long way to go. So, what exactly is retirement planning?
Reshma, this is a very good question, and I feel that equity is very, very important when you are young because equity as an asset class works wonderfully well in medium to long term. So, when there is a time with you and when there is a compounding impact on your wealth, when you're creating your wealth on that wealth creation journey, the compounding works wonderfully well for you. So equity is the best product asset class when you are young. Now when you are young, you don't have that kind of money, so you can put little money, but over a period of time, because of the compounding impact, that looks very big. So when you retire, you get enough money. But now when you retire, there is a again very big life in front of you because you are going to live another 25, 30 years. So equity works wonderfully well for any time horizon more than 5 to 10 years. So when you retire also, I would suggest that you must learn how value investing will help you in identifying the good companies and wherein you can really create a lot of money. So when you retire, you must know which stock or which company you can invest in and how value investing will really help you in identifying the best stock for you so that you will make a lot of money in your retirement years too.
I want to retire rich, live peacefully, have a beach house. So, what is the amount I should start investing today, and at what age should I start investing?
When you retire, you would love to do so many things. You would love to chase your passion. You had no time when you were working hard, when you were young. So actually when you retire, you need lot of money so that there is no stress, and for your peace and for your smooth life you must invest when you are younger, and as well you must invest when you retire, and then you also enjoy that money which you have worked so hard when you were young. So both the phases in your life you must have certain exposure in equity. Obviously you should follow asset allocation. I am nowhere saying that you invest your entire money in equity. No, you must invest in different product asset classes like gold, real estate, also to certain extent liquid funds, fixed deposits and equity. But at every phase of your life, equity is must. Your risk taking appetite or risk taking ability will decide how much portion you should invest in equity. But equity is must at various stages of your life. For your self-confidence, for your dignity, for your self-respect and achieving true financial freedom, equity plays very important role because it beats inflation, and in long term you really create wealth because of the kind of passive income it generates. It gives a lot of dividends. It truly enhances your portfolio returns, and your asset allocation also is completely done perfectly because equity is the heart of your investment. By 2050, almost 20% of the population in our country will be in retirement stage. Imagine, such a huge number of people are going to retire. So definitely all of us who are listening to this video must do the proper retirement planning with the help of equity and value investing.
Thank you so much, Alpa. This has been so interesting and informative as well. I'm sure our viewers will find this useful and start equity investment immediately. Thank you so much.